If people lose their selfishness, everyone will give things to others casually, and everyone may work for others. Until entire social system will collapse. You can imagine what kind of chaotic state the society will be in. It is precisely because of selfishness that people work hard to satisfy the economic, material, and spiritual needs. Everyone in society is like it pots. When be so that everyone can cooperate with each other, society will become well organized as long as people are for themselves, as long as the means are reasonable and do not harm the interests of others. I think people's selfishness as is reasonable and normal. However, why do people still blame people for selfishness in the mainstream social opinion? I am China today and do not admit that people's selfishness is reasonable. Why does the mainstream society condemn people's selfishness as unselfish behavior and praise selfless people and self-love is behavior? The mainstream society in China now emphasizes that it is glorious to work for the public and shameful to work for pride. 8 interests what is public? Public is everyone collective, and the public all action. As of the public, the collective and the public must be held by an agent, and this agent is the official Chinese cure. Rent mainstream society emphasizes that everything is for sake. For public, in name, it is resounding, but in reality it requires the people of the whole society to put the interests of officials first, and willingly dedicate the fruits of our labor to the government when their own interests conflict with the interests of the government. They must take the initiative to give up their own interests